Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to learn how you can easily log into your Depop.com account. Signing into your existing Depop account is super easy. First of all, launch open any web browser and go to the URL box and type in Depop.com and search. You'll be taken to the official website for Depop, where you need to go to the upper right corner and click the login button. Now, choose the same method that you selected while signing up for Depop previously. If you selected Google, do the same. Since I selected Continue with Email option previously, I'm gonna click Continue with Email. On the next page, enter your credentials. Type in your email address associated with Depop and then click Continue. Now you'll need to check your email inbox. Go open up your email on a new tab. After you do that, open up your email from Depop, which has a magic link to log in. Now click on the Login to Depop button via email and then you'll be able to sign into your Depop account. So logging into Depop is pretty easy. All you need is your credential and you'll be good to go. So there you have it. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.